Hello everyone, welcome once again. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to make coconut milk for coconut rice. And so all we need to make this recipe is some matured coconut. And here are some coconuts that I've already broken and shared behind the camera. And further slice them into blendable size. Next, I'll transfer some of them into my blender, add water and blend smoothly. Apart from cooking with coconut milk is an ingredient with versatile uses. Coconut milk is used for vegan yogurt recipe. Take a glass of coconut milk as this aid in digestion. And now let me give a special shout out to Trida from Bagaluru, Olutoyin Victoria from Ondo State, Nigeria, and to Swahidi. I'm glad you love the recipe. And a big thanks to all my wonderful family out there. And if you want me to give you a shout out in my next video, comment where you are watching me from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. And after blending the coconut and it becomes smooth, transfer into a cheesecloth to squeeze out the milk from it. Coconut milk is used for beauty and skincare, bath soak, and hair conditioning. Coconut milk can also be used for ice cream and baking. And after squeezing out the milk from it, here we have the coconut milk. I'll set aside and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. And after blending all the coconut and squeezing out the milk, here we have the chaff we got from it and also the milk. Next, I'll transfer into a collecting container. And after transferring the coconut milk into a collecting container, you can put in the refrigerator to prevent it from fermenting if you are not using it immediately. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as I have more great videos for you. And now we have our coconut milk for coconut rice ready. I'll be using this for the making of coconut rice in my upcoming video, so please stay tuned. And if you find value in this video, please don't forget to click on the like button, comment and share with your loved ones. And after transferring to an airtight container, here we have our coconut milk for coconut rice, which came out very nice. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless.